Hi everyone, today we are going to learn the cursive letter J, which is also an up-down letter. So you'll need your packet and a pencil and a hard surface. So get those ready and then get your fingers ready to write. So the cursive letter J starts just like the letter I. It starts at the grass line and then it comes up to the airplane line. So it's almost like you're making an I, just like we did last time. But then you're gonna come down, dig for worms, make a big belly like you ate all those gummy worms, and then come up and make a tail. So let me show you.
Down letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Go all the way down to the worm line. Loop back up to the grass line and make a tail. Add a dot.
So just be careful when you are coming up and then down that you go to the left to make that belly or that loop. Okay, so make sure you're going this way and not backwards because that's a different letter altogether. Try writing it in the air.
J is an up-down letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line.
Just like the letter I.
Go all the way down to the worm line.
Straight down.
Loop back up to the grass line and make a tail. Add a dot.
So you don't pick up your pencil till you add the dot. Now try it on your leg.
J is an up-down letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Go all the way down to the worm line. Loop back up to the grass line and make a tail. Add a dot.
Try it on your arm.
J is an up-down letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Go all the way down to the worm line. Loop back up to the grass line and make a tail. Add a dot.
Nicely done. Now let me show you on paper what that looks like in your packet. You'll want to trace over the J, the large J. So start at the grass line. Again, you're coming up to the airplane line, then you stop, but don't pick up your pencil. Retrace or come straight down, kind of at a slant to the bottom left corner till you get to the worms. Eat all those gummy worms, make your big belly or loop, come back to the grass line and make that tail so you can connect to another letter when it's time. Let's try it again. Start at the grass line, glide up to the airplane line, retrace coming down to the worm line, eat lots of gummy worms, back to the grass line, make a tail and a dot. So you should be able to get at least 2 of those J's, maybe 3. I got 3. And then I notice still sometimes we forget to trace over the examples. I'm going to encourage you to do that because that's how you get the feel. And every time I see a student do it, they do better with the rest of their own letters. So tracing is good. Now we're going to start at the grass line, come up, dig for worms, belly, tail, dot. Grass line up, down, dig for worms, belly, tail, and continue. It's a pretty letter, isn't it? I just keep thinking of jelly because I can write the word jelly. And so on. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that time. Forgot to dot my J. I think I like this one, so I'll put a star by it. Now let me show you what that'll look like. When you go ahead to connect a J, I said jelly, right? I'm going to go right into my E, right into my L, my next L, and then a Y, and then I dot my J after I'm done connecting my letters. You're not expected to do that. I just like showing you where we're headed. Remember to fill in each line. If you get tired, come back to it later. Even down here, you're going to want to do all of these down here. You can probably get 10 going across. Challenge yourself. And I think that cursive is a little easier than manuscript because, like I said, you're just connecting. Whereas with manuscript, you have to pick up your pencil and start all over again. Okay, so have fun and enjoy your J's, your second up-down letter. We'll see you later.